Hi there, it's Olga Lucia from EQness here, and today in Self-Compassion in Action, I would like to continue with our topic of mindful eating, because mindful eating is a fantastic approach to modify in a sustainable way our eating patterns when these eating patterns are not healthy. A very important point when we want to modify our eating patterns, when we want to eat in a healthier way, is to connect with our body and ask what he wants or what she wants, when and how much. How much? That's key. This means that when I'm gonna eat, I should ask my body how hungry I am. Normally we don't ask ourselves that. We just go on like, I'm very hungry, or I'm somehow hungry, but no, like really a level. And then when we select the food, although we have more roughly an idea of like we are not that super hungry, or that we are more or less hungry, or that we are not hungry at all, regardless of how hungry we are, we get almost the same amount of food. So it is very important to ask ourselves from 0 to 10 how hungry I am before starting a meal, and from there select the amount of food according to that number. If you have a hunger of 2, don't select the amount of food for when you have a hunger of 8. That's one important point, how hungry you are from 0 to 10. And if you are not hungry at all, so don't eat. If you feel like you want to have something in your mouth, so try to use veggies or use tea or anything that could be satisfying for your mouth, but that will have low caloric content. Now, a second point when we are gonna eat is to know when we have eaten enough. That's really important because we tend to overeat. And when we overeat because the signal of our body that we hear and that is telling us when is the time to stop, it's when we feel that we are full. And that's not actually the signal we should hear. The signal we should hear is when I am not hungry anymore, which is completely different. So I start my meal and I am constantly asking my body, how is my body feeling? If I'm feeling good, if I'm feeling satisfied, so it's time to stop. But if I feel that I still need to eat more, so I will continue eating more. Then we will reach a point in which I will not be hungry anymore. And then there is a good point to stop. The situation is we always overeat because we wait until we feel that we are full. And these are two different points. Each time this point of being satisfied has been crossed, when we eat more than that, we are overeating. So if we pay attention to this signal of the body that it has been enough, it will be a good thing it will help us to eat healthier and eat less, and probably maintain a healthy weight. How we can do that? The same way we did it for how hungry I am. I can ask myself how full I am from 0 to 10. And this will give you an idea of when is the time to stop. If you want to know more about this exercise, there are some resources in Insight Timer and on YouTube explaining this exercise in a more detailed way, in a form of a meditation, because in mindful eating we learn this type of tools through meditation practices. So if you are interested, I invite you to go and check this meditation that is dedicated to know when my body is satisfied and when I have eaten enough. You can find it in Insight Timer. You look for EQness in Insight Timer, or on in our channel on YouTube. I hope this has been helpful for you. If you have some questions or if you have some comments, don't hesitate in sharing them with us. See you in our next video. Bye.